Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can use Format Painter in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy data where we've got prices and then we've got the exact same prices here, but we're going to look to format these in the way that they are in column A. So what we're going to do to use the Format Painter is highlight our cells here, and then the Format Painter is here in the Home tab, where it's got like a little brush and it will essentially just copy the formatting from one place to another. So if I now highlight these cells here in column C, you can see that it's bolded the column header, and it's also changed the format of the prices to have the pound sign at the front of it. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to look to copy the formatting from one place to another. It's very quick to do and very easy to do, and something I'd highly recommend if you're looking to change your formatting and you've already got the data or wherever it might be formatted somewhere else, and you can just copy that formatting from that place to another. So yeah, highly useful. So yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.